guys, welcome to another episode of Travel with Tonyann, and I drive into Montego Bay. I'm going to Island Wings, which is located on Jamaica Boulevard. I will leave the venue link in the description in this video, so we're gonna check it out. And they sell wings. Island Wings Jamaica is the name of it, and it's in Montego Bay, so we're gonna check it out. I was coming from Kingston, so it took about 2 hours and 30 minutes to get here, and it's raining, so you know, I took my time on the road. But we're gonna check it out and do a little interview with the owners and just check it out. I'm sporting my Travel with Tonyann shirt, as you can see, so yeah, I'm coming branded and ready. So stick around and see you in a few. So the one thing I don't like is the traffic in Montego Bay is so bad. It's 12:30 and I'm stuck in traffic. So don't like it about Montego Bay. The traffic can be so crazy. So we're going on the hip strip, so that's where you'll find Margaritaville, you'll find Doctor's Cave, you'll find S Hotel, the Cameron, the hip strip. But I'm telling you, the traffic in Montego Bay is super crazy, so I don't like it. So I'm stuck in traffic. So guys, I missed the turn, so if you are coming, you have to come at this plaza right here. I'm gonna turn in right where this plaza is. Entrance, you see the entrance right here. So this is the plaza. I missed it. So it's a big enough plaza. You have lots of, well, let's see if we have lots of parking here, but this is it, and it's shop number 13.
Welcome to Island Wings. We'll check it out.
So I'm here at Island Wings JA, located on the Jamaica Boulevard. It's the plaza right across from Margaritaville, and it's shop number 13. The owner, Taim, is a young entrepreneur who has Jamaican roots. He recently moved back to Jamaica to start his business, and you don't know, we'll have to show our support. I got a chance to speak with him about his business.
All right, so how we got started, a family member of mine living in Jamaica presented the idea to me a wing franchise would be nice in Jamaica. What motivated me to start on the wings, I felt like the location needed a nice wing-only franchise. You know, wings started becoming popular during the pandemic. Felt like it was a good idea. There wasn't any in Montego Bay at the time. So I was born overseas. 2 months later, I came to Jamaica. I stayed here until I was 4 years old. And I was back and forth every summer. I lived here in my early, late 20s. Decided to come back and give back to the community and open businesses. It's basically a hybrid business. It's an American concept where it's just predominantly wings being sold with sauces, and there's other, you know, filler items. So it's most of our flavors are American flavors, but they're all made here. We don't import our sauces from overseas. We use all the ingredients here. And we kind of, we have like 2 or 3 Jamaican sauces that we created. So the 3 Jamaican sauces are the Halago Pine, the Guava Barbecue, and the Jerk. The most popular sauce that's sold here would be the Mango Habanero. One of our staple items is our house special lemonade. It's actually included in our combos. So our combos come with fries, coleslaw, and a drink. The drink can be a lemonade or water. Most people take the lemonade. It's our house special. You can also purchase the lemonade separately at a cost of 250 Jamaican dollars. We're also kid friendly. Our main item for kids are chicken tenders or our bites. The bites are basically similar to chicken nuggets. Even though we mostly sell wings, we have a wide variety of options. We have chicken tenders, chicken bites, which is kind of like nuggets. We sell chicken wraps. We have a new item called the Chick Dog. We do sell chicken and chips as well, and plenty of sides: macaroni pie, mozzarella sticks, pressed plantain wedges, coleslaw. Those who are vegan, we do also offer vegan items. We do our wraps without any meat, obviously. And we're going to be rolling out cauliflower wings. So they will be in the shape of wings. You get your sauce on them as well, but no meat. So our items are very affordable. From our entree items, the cheapest ranges from $400 up to $27.50 Jamaican dollars. So our forms, different forms of payment, we accept cash, we accept card, tap pay, we also accept Cash App. And for persons who want delivery, we deliver through Quick Cart. And we also offer a partnership with a local Jamaican wine company, Hilaga Wine and Spirits. We offer OTT apple wine, guava wine, and pineapple wine in 2 different sizes, 750 ml and 150 ml. Also, one of our popular sauces, the Hilaga Pine, we actually use the wine from them to make the sauce as well. Local fruits in Jamaica is used to make their wine. So Island Wings is currently located centrally on the Montego Bay Hip Strip, also known as Jimmy Cliff Boulevard. We're right across from Margaritaville, on the same plaza as Burger King, right next to Coral Cliff. Island Wings is open Monday to Wednesday from 12 p.m. to 8, Thursday to Saturday. We go up to 12 a.m., 2 a.m., depending on the night. We're closed Sunday for now, but we have plans to open back up on Sundays again.
So we have the big box here. This is something new that Island Wings has introduced. So this is the big box. It comes with 3 chicken nuggets, 3 chicken wings, 3 chicken bites. You have fries and vegetables, and it's a good deal. And of course your lemonade, can't forget that. So we're gonna take a look at it. So this is what it looks like, guys. These are the fries, the vegetables. This is one of the sauces. This is the chicken bites and the wings. The price is not bad. It's an affordable price point. And as I said before, they have other options apart from wings. So if you're interested, you should check it out. They're located on the Hip Strip in Montego Bay, across from Margaritaville. I'm actually looking at Margaritaville as we speak, and it's centrally located. I'm gonna try the wings. The wing. I don't want to do any sauce because I think this, oh, this is the sauce. I'm gonna try it right now. This sauce is good.
If you're ever in Montego Bay, stop by. So many items, so many sauces. Travel with Tony.